people. Making an impulse decision today. I don't know. 1 second. What's up, my beautiful people? We are about to make an impulse purchase. I don't give a shit. I'm sad. I'm making money. I'm spending some money. I'm doing both, but I'm spending some money today. So we got a little surprise, man. On our way to a special place that I've heard about. And I've only heard about, but the results show in their work. We're gonna, you know what I'm saying? That's a little hint for y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. I mean, y'all see the title and the thumbnail. Y'all see what's going on. So, I'll catch y'all when we get to where we getting to. What's going on, my beautiful people? Of course, y'all see it's a new day, different day, you know what I'm saying? But because I had to, it's a different day because I had to change my plans up just a little bit, just a little bit. Going with a different shop, and find a shop with a good price that could do it, you know what I'm saying? Quick and easy, whatever. So I'm actually on the way there now, you know what I'm saying? Drop my truck off, say probably have it done by the, you know what I'm saying, by the afternoon, you know what I'm saying, quick job, whatever. But shit, you know what I'm saying, finna, you know what I mean, finna get stuff popping, you feel me? You know what I'm saying, catch y'all when I get there, you know what I'm saying? Light and tight, you know what I mean, you know what I'm saying, type decent, you feel me? Y'all gonna be able to hear it, but shit. If y'all can't hear it, y'all gonna be able to hear it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna see the difference. Y'all gonna tell the difference. I already know for a fact that y'all can go and tell the difference, but that's, you know what I'm saying? I don't even think y'all can hear it for real. And I got the window down just a little bit. I'm gonna roll the window down, window up. See if y'all can tell. And then we're gonna see how it play. You know what I'm saying? See the difference, feel me? That's in the cabin with the windows up, feel me? We're gonna see the difference. We're gonna see. We here, feel me? We're gonna see what they talking about, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? We back, man. We back. Gonna pick up my truck, man. See what they talking about. Back here, buddies. Oh, that's the wrong sign. What sign go? Right there. Feel me? See what they. Ooh, the sign. My face. Gonna see what they talking about, G. Shit look wicked. Oh, what didn't they do it? You don't see what they talking about. What? There it go. Here we go. Yeah, we like it. Yeah. God damn, that started up crazy. Shit up the bed. Tips on the way. God damn. Oh, record it. Look at this guy. Oh, goodness. 2,000 RPM. It's, feel me? It's finna go crazy. You following me? Hey, look. Hey, man. Oh, impulse purchases for the win, cuz. Impulse purchases for the win. Hey, hey, listen, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Yeah. Alright, we're finna get out of here. Left my man Buddy's exhaust. Oh man. Hey. Yo. I'm too hyped. I am too hyped. Where'd he go? I'm too hyped. I'll definitely be back. Gotta put some tips on here ASAP. Oh man. I'm gonna roll the window down. Hey, just a tap with a. Oh man. Oh man, that rumble crazy. Hey, I'm too hyped, bro. I'm too hyped right now, bro. Oh man, I got the windows down. Let me see. Damn, I should have. Never mind. Should have waited, Jeremiah. But oh man, that's just crazy behind me. God damn. Hey, look. Hey, hey, you can tell this is my first time with it. Something with the exhaust, bro. Like, I'm too hyped right now, bro. I'm too hyped. Like, y'all don't understand, bro. I'm too hyped. Oh man. I'm too hyped right now. Hey, this shit is nuts. Man, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Hey, look, hey man, hey man, say man. Let me close the window, see how it sounds inside the cabin. So the cabin sounds good. It ain't no drone. Bruh, yeah, I'm glad I did this. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. An initial startup, bro. People finna hate me in the neighborhood. I don't even care, bro. Feel me? I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the crib, man. God damn. Damn, bro. Hey, I missed the underpass, bro. We gotta turn around. We about to turn around. So we gotta get that. We gotta get that shit, bro. That shit sounds crazy, bro. My teeth really got perfect. Hey, look. I need some goddamn Invisalign or something, you know what I'm saying? But look, hey, we finna bust this Yui little creatures. I gotta get that underpass, bro. I'm wasting time. I gotta go out of town and shit. Fuck it. That shit sounds crazy. Bust some Yui. Hey, diesel. Oh, he sounds good too. Oh. Try to get the downshift first. See what that shit talking about. Hey man, this is wicked. Wicked. Hey. Here we go. Here we go.
up, bro?
So, man, hey, I'm not about to hit the crib yet. You know what I'm saying, clearly, because I had to do that overpass one. But I don't know why I recorded it again. I really don't have nothing to say for it. I was about to end it, but I need to get my pops reaction and my parents' reaction. They finna be tight. Hey, they finna be bad as hell. I'm in this truck all day. I'm finna enjoy it, feel me? They finna be tight. Probably got some more miles coming on the way. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, comment, you know, all that good stuff, you feel me? Make sure y'all do that. Make sure y'all do that, you feel me? Cause we pushing it out this year, bro. I ain't playing around no more. I've been, you know what I'm saying, playing around, bullshit, inconsistent, all of that. I'm finna get on it, bro. I'm finna get on it. Cause we got stuff to do this year, man. Good Lord. Good Lord. Seen some yams, you feel me? Stop. Sit. Sit. Mate, come here. Sit down. Talk. Talk. Where you go? This nigga always wanna go to the front. Do shit out. I can see where you go. Oh yeah, so he don't even know. He don't even know. He don't even know. Look. He don't even know. Trying to see what I did to it. Look. Huh? Yeah, that too. He don't even see it. Uh-huh. Look, watch this. Sounds like. Huh? Yeah. That was not the reaction I was expecting.
Huh?
I see. Yeah, that's a better response. I like that. No, yeah. Need that. Yeah. Huh?
How many charges you got?
5.
500. Put everything on.
So basically, we got 2 cats. Right there. And it goes straight to do. That's, you see this, of course, you see the new pipe. And that's the Super 10s. Big black things right there. So they're not connected. It's 2 separate mufflers. And then it goes, loops up, splits straight to the back.